Emergency plumbing services available 24 hours per day. Call anytime 770-863-7416. Burst pipes, overflowing toilets, clogged toilets and drains. Leaking toilets and pipes, sewer line stoppages and breaks. Do you have a plumbing emergency? Our expert plumbers tackle plumbing emergencies 365 days of the year. Water heater repairs and installations including high-efficiency tankless water heaters. Septic services, sewer and drain repair. We offer comprehensive septic solutions and inspections to help you avoid expensive repairs. Additionally, we repair and replace damaged sewer lines. When you're struggling with faulty plumbing issues, you don't want to be struggling for long. Our team understands that, which is why we're committed to providing reliable, fast, professional plumbing repairs and solutions when you need it the most. Company techs are knowledgeable and trained in all services ranging from emergency repairs to routine maintenance and plumbing fixture upgrades. We fully understand that no matter the issue, you need it dealt with right away. Our priority is to resolve your problems without delay, to gain your trust, and make you our customer for life. We gladly provide our professional services to you 24/7 because we know that emergencies don't always occur during normal business hours. When you come to us for a repair, we'll examine the situation and communicate to you exactly what needs to be done. Then, we expedite and complete the tasks at hand. Done and done. Remember, a simple flush beats a full house. Call us day or night 770-863-7416.